In 2023, SIRUI released the incredible Nightwalker 24, 35 and 55mm T1.2 Cine lenses, and now we're excited to introduce two new family members. The Nightwalker 16 and 75mm T1.2 Cine lenses. Both 16 and 75mm lenses share very similar weight, the same form factor and identical gear positions compared to the other three lenses, making it a seamless and effortless switch between the lenses when operating a camera stabilizer or working with a handheld rig. The maximum aperture of T1.2 gives you the ability to film in extreme low-light situations and isolate your subject from the background by forming buttery, smooth and dreamy bokeh and still retain a sharp image with minimal chromatic aberration and low vignetting. With an impressive 0.3 meter close focusing distance on the 16mm lens and 0.7 meters on the 75, you'll be able to capture intricate details on your subjects, and the 67mm filter thread across all lenses makes it convenient for you not to worry about owning many different filters. These incredible lenses will help you achieve cinematic results in any scenario you put yourself in. Whether you're filming a documentary out on the field in terrible weather, capturing incredible portraits in a wide range of locations, both in a good light for beautiful flares or in poorly lit environments, filming casual B-roll around the city during nighttime, filming a short film or a creative passion project for yourself by capturing the weirdest and most experimental shots ever, or filming fast, dynamic action scenes with the main goal being as light and mobile as possible. The SIRUI Nightwalker 16 and 75mm lenses will open new doors to creative possibilities by delivering outstanding build quality as well as exceptional image quality at an affordable price.